Class 5. This is the second portion of your lesson number 7, fractions. Here we will study about comparison of fractions. The first part of this comparison of fractions is comparison of fraction with like denominator and unlike numerators. So there is a rule which you need to learn. Out of the given like fractions, the one having greater numerator is greater. So for example, you can see we have two fractions over here. Both of them have denominator 13 and numerator 9 and 6. So the greater number is 9. That is why the fraction 9 upon 13 will be a greater fraction. Let us see another. Here 27 is the denominator of both the fractions. But if we see the numerator, one is 13 and other is 23. Now 23 is a larger number. So this fraction 23 upon 7 will be a larger fraction. Let us see the solved examples. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Now as you have already come to know how to see which is a greater fraction and which is a smaller fraction, we will apply that rule here and find the different fractions given here, which is bigger and which is smaller. Now out of these fractions, 8 upon 15, 2 upon 15, 11 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 13 upon 15, we find that all the denominators are same. Therefore, the smallest number 2 in the numerator will be the smaller fraction. Then larger to this will be 7 upon 15. Then larger to this will be 8 upon 15. Then 11 upon 15 and 13 upon 15. So this is the arrangement we have done in the ascending order. Next we have the question, arrange the following fractions in descending order. Now according to the rule, again we will see that all the denominators in the given fractions is same. So here we have to do a descending order. That means from the largest fraction we will move on to the smaller fraction. So we see that 15 upon 17 is the largest fraction because the numerator 15 is the larger number than all the other numerators. Then 11 upon 17, 7 upon 17, 6 upon 17, 3 upon 17. So this will be the smallest fraction of the list. Second is comparison of fraction with like numerator and unlike denominator. Now in this type of fractions, the numerator will be same or it will be like and the denominator will be unlike. So the rule to find out the comparison of greater and lesser fraction is, out of the given fraction with same numerator, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. So in this case, the smaller denominator will be greater. For example, let us see 7 upon 10, 7 upon 12. Here the numerators are same, but denominators, as you can see, one is 10 and other is 12. So 10 is a smaller number. Smaller denominator will be bigger fraction. So 7 upon 10 is a bigger fraction. Let us see the other example. Here we have 6 upon 7 and 6 upon 5. So we see that in these two fractions, the numerator is same, but 5 being a smaller number, so this fraction is the bigger fraction. Now let us see some solved examples. Question is, arrange the fractions in ascending order. So again, when we are doing ascending order, we will search for the smallest and move on to the largest. So out of this list, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 13, 3 upon 4, 3 upon 11, 3 upon 5, we have to search for the smallest fraction. And according to the rule, the smaller denominator is a larger fraction. So 3 upon 13 will be the smallest fraction. Then 3 upon 11, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 4. So this will be the largest of the list. Question number 2. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Now we have fractions 8 upon 9, 8 upon 15, 8 upon 11, 8 upon 17, 8 upon 13. All the numerators are same again, and we have to arrange in the descending order. Descending order means we will write the largest fraction first and then the smallest in the end. So we find that 8 upon 9 is the largest fraction, because according to the rule, the smaller denominator will be the greater fraction or the largest fraction. So we write it in the first place and then move on to the small and the smallest. So 8 upon 17 will be the smallest fraction according to the descending order.